Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this my 2026 filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, go to your trending section and you should see this filter. It's in my favorite. Okay, so suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for my 2026. Okay, there are lots of filters, but I'm going to use the third one with 392.1k videos. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for my 2026 filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Okay, likewise. So to use this effect, what you can do, just tap on the record button. Let's go to 10 minutes. Tap on the record button. Just wait. House, money, some sickness, baby, muscles. Okay. Oh, ending in hospital. Okay, so this is it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.